this is my
Medyo
first
tagilid.
time to attend and personally witness a proceeding before the ICC. And even before that, so far as the case of the former president, may alam tayo na about that. At hindi talaga mawawala. Unique in this case is the political character in this case. Tanggalin mo yung political dimension, we're very confident that the former president would win his day in court. But with the political dimension, starting with the forced surrender, if I may say, a kidnapping of the president from the Philippines, it's already political in character. So ano pa yung maaasahan natin dito? Insofar as that aspect is concerned, not the judicial process. Kasi judicial process, it talks about facts that you need to present and prove on the basis of the facts that would be qualified as evidence, on the basis of the standard by which these charges are being set against the person. And I'd like to say this again. Why is it political? And this is just my personal view. There is a policy of government all across administration na pag may isang Pilipino sa labas ng bansa na inaresto, dinitine, even tried in court, and even convicted, the policy of government across administration from Cory Aquino all the way up to BBM is to exert all available resources of government to bring that Filipino home. You could recall Sara Balabagan and I don't know, I think that was during the time of Ramos. And to the credit of BBM, si Sara Jane Veloso, Mary Jane Veloso, who was already serving sentence in an Indonesian prison. Yun ang nakapagtataka. Bakit hindi magawa-gawa dito yan sa isang matanda at masakitin, frail as he is now? Man nating sabihin former president, itrato na lang natin siya bilang isang Pilipino. Bakit hindi magawa-gawa ng administrasyong Marcos ito? And that is proof na may political character itong prosesong ito.
Yes, and gusto niyo rin po bang mag-react doon sa revelation ni Senator Amy Marcos na may mga pera daw po na meron din na i-turn over sa ICC?
Yes, allegedly $2 million.
I'd rather see it before making any comment.
Any comment? Okay, sir.
Attorney Sal, kayo po. Yung about doon sa allegedly $2 million paid to the ICC investigators?
Nabasa ko yung affidavit nila, masyadong detalyado. Sobrang detalyado na hindi mo mapapasinungalingan. Nandun yung plate number, pati aeroplano, yung mukha ng mga ICC investigator. Kumpleto pangalan, binigay nila mga pangalan nila. At saka, at this time, dapat meron lang sinasabi si Saldico na hindi ko mga tao yan. Kapag the other day pa yung press conference And in fact, they are validating what Saldico was claiming pupunta sa mga pera. So on the basis of that, mukhang totoo. Mahirap gumawa ng detalyado. Ano may inventory nyo? Pati yung mga maleta doon, pati yung mga bundles of pera, nandun lahat Ang tanong dyan, anong gagawin ng gobyerno ito? If it's true na they are going after these plunderers. Sige nga. Nandiyan na ebidensya.
Nag-press con po kanina si Senator Amy showing yung...
Paimbestigahan daw.
Opo, investigation.
Si balat kayo lang yan. Ginagamit lang yan ng mga marino. Mas I'd rather focus on the marine. Sila ang tunay na sasabi ko.
I'm not sure kung nasagot nyo na po. May application na po ba for you to become sa ICC as defense team, part of the defense team?
As far as I know, my own son, Paulo, has applied for my accreditation.
I see. So, meron po bang at araw, expect kayo na makakapasok at nadadalaw nyo na si dating Pangulong
Hindi
Duterte?
namin alam yun kasi may mga requirements, may process yan. So, hindi namin alam how long it will take.
Ano na yung panaginip namin na makita siya? Just to have a glimpse.
Yes, when was the last time you've seen him?
Well,
Yung last time you
March
saw PRR?
11.
15,
14.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Ng last month?
No.
Last year?
Last
Ah,
year.
last year.
Go 1 year na, sir.
Alright.
How do you feel, sir, that it's going to be 1 year na sa March 12 yung pag-surrender o pag-kidnap kay dating Pangulo dito sa kustodiya ng ICC?
And I feel sad.
Sad for him, of course. As every Filipino.
Ako, I was here for 3 months. I was only supposed to stay for a week. It became 2 months, became 3 months. Ako, may nakikita ako mga tao, nakakalabas ako. Nakakapasyal ako, may mga nakakausap ako. Ano kung yung nag-iisa ka doon? Sa edad mong yan. Sa mga panahong ito na pag-aanggamin.
So what's your greatest fear now for the former president? And what's your greatest fear now for the former president?
Sal,
Ang greatest fear ko he passes away dito sa bansang ito, hindi sa atin. Sa edad niya yun marami siyang nararamdaman. Saka we don't even know kung this ICC is attending to his medical needs.
Thank you, sir.
Kaya thank you, sir. Mabuhay po kayo.